Canned pineapples are a convenient way to preserve this tropical fruit, extending its shelf life while maintaining its nutritional value and flavor. The canning process involves various steps, including pineapple cultivation, harvesting, cleaning, slicing, canning, and preservation. The entire process is carried out under strict hygiene conditions to ensure food safety, and it's designed to retain the fruit's natural taste and nutritional content. Canned pineapples are available in multiple formats, including slices, chunks, crushed pineapple, and pineapple rings, making them versatile for cooking, baking, and snacking. Below is a detailed step-by-step explanation of how pineapples are processed in a factory and transformed into the canned product we find on store shelves. Pineapples are grown in tropical and subtropical regions, with countries like Thailand, the Philippines, Costa Rica, and Indonesia being some of the largest pineapple producers globally. Pineapples thrive in warm, sunny climates with well-drained soil. Pineapple plants take about 18 to 24 months to reach full maturity and bear fruit. Each plant typically produces one large pineapple, which is harvested when it is fully ripe. Pineapples intended for canning are generally harvested when they reach the right sugar-acid balance, known as their optimal Brix level. Harvesting too early results in unripe sour fruit, while overripe pineapples can spoil quickly. Once the fruit has ripened, laborers or machines harvest the pineapples, cutting the fruit from the base of the plant. The harvested pineapples are immediately transported to nearby factories to ensure minimal delay between harvesting and processing, which helps maintain freshness and reduce spoilage. Upon arrival at the factory, the pineapples are first inspected for quality. Any damaged or overripe pineapples are removed from the production line. Trained workers or automated machines carry out these quality checks, ensuring that only the best fruits proceed to the next stage. After inspection, the pineapples are thoroughly washed to remove dirt, pesticides, and any surface contaminants. This is done using powerful water jets or in specialized washing tunnels. Some factories use a chlorine solution to sanitize the fruit, ensuring that all harmful microorganisms are eliminated before further processing. Peeling is one of the most crucial steps in pineapple processing. Pineapple skin is tough and fibrous, so specialized peeling machines are used to remove the skin efficiently while preserving the fruit underneath. The machines employ sharp circular blades that remove the outer layer of the pineapple in a spiral motion. These machines are designed to peel the fruit quickly without causing damage to the flesh. For smaller-scale operations or in regions where labor is cheaper, pineapples may also be peeled manually by skilled workers using knives. The core of a pineapple is much tougher than the surrounding flesh, so it must be removed before the fruit can be canned. In factories, coring machines are used to extract the core with precision. The machine inserts a sharp cylindrical blade into the center of the pineapple, removing the hard core while leaving the edible flesh intact. Some cores are repurposed into byproducts like animal feed or Cutting and preparation for canning is the first crucial step in ensuring that the fruit retains its quality and freshness. Each piece of fruit is meticulously prepared to meet the high standards required for canning. Pineapples can be canned in a variety of forms, such as rings, chunks, slices, tidbits, or crushed pineapple. The cutting machines are adjusted depending on the desired end product. For pineapple rings, peeled and cored pineapples are sliced into uniform, round rings. Pineapple chunks are made by cutting the fruit into medium-sized pieces after coring. Pineapple slices are thicker than rings but maintain a similar round shape. The fruit is either mashed or finely diced to create a crushed pineapple texture, suitable for baking or sauces. The cutting machines are programmed to ensure each piece is uniformly shaped, improving the visual appeal and ensuring even cooking or preservation during the canning process. After cutting, the pineapple pieces are sorted and graded based on their size, shape, and quality. This is typically done through automated conveyor belts that use sensors or cameras to identify and separate different grades of fruit. Grade A pineapples, which are of premium quality, are used for products like pineapple rings, while lower grades may be processed into crushed pineapple or juice. The fruit is also checked for bruises, discoloration, or any defects that might affect its shelf life or flavor. Any subpar pieces are removed from the line and may be repurposed into juices or byproducts. The canning process is the final step in preserving the prepared pineapple. This involves placing the fruit into cans, adding syrup or juice, sealing the cans, and then heating them to destroy any bacteria and enzymes that could spoil the fruit. This meticulous process ensures that the pineapples remain fresh and flavorful for an extended period, ready to be enjoyed by consumers around the world. The cans used for pineapple are sterilized before the fruit is packed. This ensures that no harmful bacteria or microorganisms are present, reducing the risk of spoilage. Sterilization is done using either heat or chemical methods, with the cans passing through a series of hot steam chambers or using a UV sterilization process. Once the pineapples are cut and sorted, they are carefully placed into the sterilized cans. Automated filling machines place the pineapple pieces or rings into the cans in a precise and uniform manner. For pineapple rings, machines ensure that the rings are neatly stacked and aligned. For chunks or tidbits, fruit is filled to a set weight or volume to ensure consistency across all cans. After the pineapples are packed into the cans, a liquid medium is added to preserve the fruit and enhance its sweetness. This can be heavy syrup, which is a mix of water and sugar for a sweeter taste, light syrup with less sugar for a more natural flavor, pineapple juice, which is natural juice from the fruit itself, or water for unsweetened versions. The liquid is added to the brim of the can to fully immerse the pineapple, preventing air pockets that could lead to spoilage. Once filled, the cans are sealed using high-speed can sealing machines. The lid is crimped onto the can, creating an airtight seal that prevents contaminants from entering. The seal must be perfect to ensure that no bacteria can grow inside the can, which would otherwise cause the fruit to spoil during storage. After sealing, the cans undergo heat sterilization to kill any remaining bacteria and enzymes. This is done through a process known as retorting. The cans are placed in large, high-pressure cookers called retorts. They are heated to a specific temperature, usually around 121 degrees Celsius or 250 degrees Fahrenheit, for a set amount of time to ensure the product is sterile. This process ensures the canned pineapple will have a long shelf life, often lasting up to 2 or 3 years without refrigeration. If the liquid medium used in the canning process is pineapple juice, the juice may be pasteurized before it is added to the cans. Pasteurization involves heating the juice to a lower temperature than sterilization, just enough to kill harmful bacteria without affecting the taste and nutritional quality of the juice. After sterilization, the cans are rapidly cooled to prevent overcooking and to stop the sterilization process. This cooling is done using cold water baths or air cooling chambers. Rapid cooling is essential because it preserves the texture and flavor of the pineapple, preventing it from becoming too soft or mushy. Once cooled, the cans are dried and labeled. Labels contain important information such as the brand name, type of pineapple, weight, nutritional information, ingredients, and expiration date. Labeling machines wrap each can in its designated label at high speeds, preparing them for the final packaging stage. The labeled cans are then packed into cartons or crates for shipment. Depending on the manufacturer, canned pineapples are often packed in bulk for commercial use or in smaller quantities for retail distribution. Factories ensure that each batch is traceable by coding the cans with batch numbers or production dates, which helps with tracking and quality control in case of recalls. At every stage of the pineapple canning process, quality control checks are in place to ensure that the final product is safe, hygienic, and consistent in flavor and texture. Tests are conducted for factors such as pH levels, sugar content, Brix level, microbial contamination, and can integrity. Pineapple factories must adhere to strict regulations set by food safety authorities, such as FDA standards, USA, or EU food regulations. Many factories obtain certifications like ISO 22000 HACCP, which stands for Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point, or BRC, the British Retail Consortium, to ensure compliance with international food safety standards. These certifications help guarantee that the canned pineapple is produced under hygienic conditions and that the end product is safe for consumption. Pineapple canning factories produce large amounts of byproducts such as peels, cores, and leaves. To minimize waste, these byproducts are often repurposed. Peels and cores are used to create animal feed, compost, or biogas. Some factories extract bromelain, an enzyme found in pineapple stems and cores, which is used in the pharmaceutical and food industries. Pineapple factories use significant amounts of water for washing and processing. Many factories implement water recycling systems to minimize water usage and reduce their environmental impact. Some pineapple producers focus on sustainable farming practices, such as organic farming, reducing pesticide use, and implementing eco-friendly packaging for the final product. The process of making canned pineapples in a factory is a well-coordinated system involving careful harvesting, precise machinery, strict quality control, and sustainable practices. From pineapple fields to the shelves of grocery stores, each step ensures the fruit remains fresh, nutritious, and safe for consumption. Canned pineapples have become a household staple, offering a convenient and long-lasting way to enjoy this tropical fruit, whether it's for a quick snack as an ingredient in recipes or as a